Welcome back to AK Luxury Car Reviews. Today, we've got something truly special for all the adventure seekers out there, the 2025 Ford Sprinter 4x4 camper van. This beast is built to take you anywhere, from rugged mountain trails to remote desert campsites, and we're going to give you a full breakdown of everything it has to offer. Let's start with the exterior because this thing looks like it means business. Ford has designed this van to handle the toughest terrains, and it shows. The aggressive stance, lifted suspension, and all-terrain tires give it an off-road ready look that just screams adventure. The front grille is bold, featuring Ford's signature styling, and the LED headlights provide excellent visibility for those late-night drives to your campsite. Plus, the integrated roof rack and awning make it clear that this van isn't just for getting from point A to B, it's made for living the adventure. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Sprinter 4x4 packs a powerful turbo diesel engine, delivering both the horsepower and torque needed to tackle steep inclines and rough trails. The all-wheel drive system is a game-changer, automatically adjusting power distribution to ensure maximum traction no matter where you're driving. Whether you're cruising down the highway or climbing a muddy back road, this van is built to handle it all. Now, let's step inside because this is where the magic really happens. The interior of the 2025 Ford Sprinter 4x4 camper van is designed for maximum comfort and convenience. The layout is smart, making the most of every inch of space. You've got a full kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, a deep sink, and a fridge that's big enough to keep your food and drinks cold for days. There's plenty of storage for all your camping gear, and the overhead cabinets provide extra space for essentials. The sleeping area is cozy and comfortable, with a memory foam mattress that ensures a good night's sleep after a long day of exploring. The foldable design means you can convert it into a seating area during the day, creating a versatile space for relaxing, eating, or even getting some work done if you need to. And speaking of work, this van is equipped with multiple USB charging ports and 110 volts outlets, so you can stay connected no matter where you are. One of the standout features of this camper van is the bathroom setup. It comes with a wet bath that includes a shower and a cassette toilet, so you don't have to rely on campground facilities. The water heater ensures you'll have hot showers even in the middle of nowhere, making off-grid living that much more comfortable. Now, let's talk about power because this van is built for off-grid adventures. It comes with a high-capacity lithium battery system, solar panels on the roof, and an inverter that allows you to run all your appliances without needing a hookup. Whether you're charging your laptop, running a coffee maker, or powering a small heater on chilly nights, this system has you covered. Plus, the smart control panel makes it easy to monitor your battery levels and manage power usage efficiently. Driving this van is an absolute dream. The high driving position gives you a great view of the road, and the modern dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making navigation and entertainment seamless. The steering is responsive, and the suspension is designed to absorb bumps, making even the roughest trails feel smoother. Safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering this van a breeze, whether you're parking in a tight spot or navigating through tricky terrain. Another thing we love about the 2025 Ford Sprinter 4x4 is the climate control system. Whether you're camping in the snow or the scorching heat, the built-in heating and air conditioning keep the interior comfortable year-round. The insulated walls help maintain temperature control, and the blackout window covers add privacy while also keeping the van cool or warm as needed. For those who love outdoor living, this van has some awesome exterior features. The retractable awning provides shade on sunny days, and the built-in LED lighting makes it easy to enjoy evenings outside. There's even an outdoor shower, perfect for rinsing off after a day of hiking, biking, or hitting the beach. The rear doors open wide, creating a spacious feel and allowing you to fully enjoy your surroundings, whether you're parked by a lake or in the middle of the forest. Storage is another big win with this van. Under the bed, you have a large gear garage, perfect for storing bikes, hiking equipment, or even a portable grill. There are also external storage compartments for easy access to essentials like water hoses, power cables, and tools. Now, let's talk about who this van is for. If you're someone who loves the idea of van life but doesn't want to sacrifice comfort, this is the perfect rig. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, and even small families looking to hit the road for weekend getaways or extended adventures. Whether you're a digital nomad, an outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who loves the freedom of the open road, this camper van checks all the boxes. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Ford Sprinter 4x4 camper van is an absolute powerhouse. It's rugged, reliable, and packed with features that make off-grid living not just possible but incredibly enjoyable. From the powerful engine and off-road capabilities to the well-designed interior and smart tech, this van is built to go anywhere and do anything. If you're in the market for a camper van that can truly handle any adventure, this one is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming camper van reviews, gear guides, and travel tips. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Ford Sprinter 4x4 camper van. Would you take this on your next adventure? Thanks for watching AK Luxury Car Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.